In this video, I will show you how to convert pounds to kilograms in Microsoft Excel using any formula. So I have this simple data. To convert your pounds into kilograms, type this formula equal, then convert, select it. Now select this cell in pound column. Comma. Now type here LBM and comma. Now type kg, closing bracket. So this is the formula. LBM want to convert into kg. So LBM is shortcut for pounds and kg for kilogram. So convert this column before, which has pounds, and want to convert into kilograms. Then press enter. Now drag and drop. So this way you can convert pounds into kilogram in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.